What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's another day of putting stickers on Teslas. So this is a Model Y. We're going to do a PPF on the hood and fenders. We're going to start by doing a full decontamination wash with an iron remover and then a clay bar, and then we'll clean up the panels and then stick on the PPF. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want to see awesome Tesla content. I do vinyl wrap, ceramic tint, PPF, paint correction, ceramic coatings, all that fun stuff. You can go to starbasedwraps.com, see some of my service and prices if you're in the Las Vegas area. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's my setup right here. We're going to start with the foam. I'm using Obsessed Garage decontamination soap, and then using my wash mitt down there. I've got the hose reel. This is kind of like my mobile detail cart right here. I've got the Krensla 1322, and then I also use a CR Spotless. It's a deionized water filter, so that way when I rinse the car, it's not going to leave mineral deposits and all that stuff. So we'll get the best possible look for this PPF on this Tesla. gonna do it for this video. I was just in the zone putting on the PPF, so I didn't really film like an after or an exit video or anything. The customer is super happy with it. He's gonna come back and do the front bumper at another time. So when he does that, I'll kind of film like the whole, whole thing and how the PPF looks. But I take the camera apart, I take the little wheel trim apart, I wrap around all the edges. I'm bolt cutting, I'm not using computer cut patterns. So it just looks a lot better that way. You know, you can see the lines, and then over time, when you have those seams or whatever, like dirt's gonna stick in there, it's gonna look bad. So we went ahead and wrapped around all the edges to make it look extra good. And that ceramic shield PPF from Geoshield, that has a 10-year warranty, so it's not gonna turn yellow or brown or fade or peel up for 10 whole years. It'll probably last longer than that, but I mean, who really has a car longer than 10 years anyway? So that's gonna do it. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button, and we'll have more Tesla content in the future. Thanks for watching.